for today's video, we're going to Costco. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Nadudulig ako. So, etong ating pogging driver.
Yes, ma'am.
Kateki.
Ma'am, don't bother the driver while it's raining, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, it's raining today. Look.
Serious business.
So, let's see later.
Okay.
Pagkatapos namin mag-drive. Niya pala mag-drive. Pagbaba namin.
And of course, ma'am, why do we need to go to the outside stores when it's raining?
It's not outside store.
Outside outlet.
No. You'll see.
All outside.
You'll see.
I've seen it.
Pero hindi pa ako nakakapunta doon. Siya nakapunta na. Hindi ko alam, actually.
I've been there.
Okay,
I've played
guys.
these games before. I've played these games before.
Okay, guys. See you later. Bye.
I've played these games before. I'm not driving. I'll take a screenshot of what I received. But it looked like an official Wells Fargo, like Kona booth. Oh, there's parking.
So yeah, we're here actually the outlet. I've never been here. Diba?
It's the rain.
Yeah. So yeah, we're here. It's all a bit. Look.
It's so cold. Look at my hat. Do I care? No.
It's raining.
I'm suffering.
So yeah. Are you cold? How is it?
Lamig?
Yeah. Diba? Still raining. So yeah, we're still here. Looking around. Window shopping lang. Lamig.
Lamig?
See?
Mickey House. Repro.
Look at the bag. Where's the SP?
Dude.
Big bag.
Lamig?
Lamig. Look at that. Oh. We're still waiting. Are you bored? Maybe?
Very bored. And cold. More cold.
You want coffee?
It's sake. Hindi, I want bulgogi bake.
Wait. So we're going here. Onitsuka Tiger. We're gonna look lang. Ayan. Oh, yan. Sa parking talaga kami nag-band, you know? Diba? Kamusta muna mag-intay? Chismis! Nalalobat na ako! Love chismis! Dali na! Kailangan ng battery! So now we're going to Costco naman after the outlet.
Signs for Yasu. Then
So
turn
my
left.
friends is still there. I want more chismis, but yeah, we're going to the Costco. And pupunta naman sila dito din. So I think we're gonna meet here too.
I'm so excited to eat bulgogi and go shopping at Costco with my lovely asawa.
Oh yes, oh my god.
She's so pretty, diba? Look at her. I'm so happy. She skipped the cheese mince for me because it's so cold and raining.
See you later. So we're here now. See that?
Brand new Costco.
Yeah, we're looking for the parking.
Premier member David and I are going to make sure we eat bulgogi and get lots of toilet paper.
Yeah, bulgogi, guys. So We found the aji fry here. The one that's making in the factory. So yeah. So happy. I did that before. Diba? We found it.
Yes, we normally get it fresh, but sometimes I never see the packaging and it's so packaged well.
Yeah. So maganda. Who did that?
You?
Sino nag-shinko nun? Before.
Before, after. Before, after.
Yeah, so we're here. Yeah, so we're done with our groceries.
I'm so full of bulgogi stuff.
Ready to go now. And it's still raining. Where's the umbrella? So we're loading our stuff. Go, Bega. Go, Bega. All water. Tissue for all for the house. Dun. So we're done and we're going home.
Look at Sosra. That's why I'm so fat. See my chin?
That's it for today, guys. We're going home. Bye.